one important aspect for education is to have security and privacy. In what concerns, for one side, the data of students, the data of the education systems, then in my point of view, this should be one of the criteria to choose the best solution, the best solutions available to guarantee you are not sharing all your data or the education or the students or the teachers' data in the cloud in a way that anyone can have access to that. And this is a question of privacy, the question of security, but also a question of ethics. Because this question will be maybe, we know in the beginning of use ICT in education, this was not a very important point, and it becomes one of the most important, privacy and security of students too, especially the younger ones. But in AI, these problems are even bigger and have different, more aspects, more ways to be analyzed. Then to have this guarantee, data and algorithm sovereignty and ethics will be one of the drivers. I want to mention here in this challenge aspect to the question of the recommendation on the ethics of artificial intelligence published by UNESCO. This document is very important because this document was the first one, is maybe the basis for all the other documents around the world, because this link the ethics in AI with human rights and the Declaration of Human Rights. Then this document is a good resource how to set the values and the principles. And I want to highlight here that the question of safety and security is included, the question of explainability and transparency. But there is one point here, 2 points here very important in my point of view. One is awareness and literacy. Nobody can implement these systems. Nobody can use them correctly if they have no education, AI literacy. If they don't know what is AI, how it functions, then it should be an education project to understand. Otherwise, we will be used by the system, but we don't have a critical position of the system. And the last point included in this document is the multi-stakeholder and adaptive governance and collaboration. This is what I was referring in the first point, is the importance of using these documents as the resource, follow some of the guidelines, but to work together in our context with our peers, in our school, in our Ministry of Education, with our students, in order to have our own guidance and a critical vision, not to distribute one document, maybe nobody reads or someone reads, but not discussed enough to be appropriate by the people.